Hey everyone. So yesterday was the day that the Monkey Capital ICO was supposed to go down, and it didn't. The countdown timer to the start of the ICO on their webpage is in the negatives. There's no updates from the team whatsoever onto where the ICO will be moved or when. From what I can tell, the ICO was canceled last minute. I really hesitate to use the word scam because I think it's kind of thrown around a lot in the community and kind of reflexively. However, Monkey Capital is as close to a scam as you're going to get. So some of you might be asking, how was the Monkey Capital ICO a scam if they didn't even reach their fundraising period? It's actually a question I asked myself. However, if you recall from our first Monkey Capital video, the value of the Monkey Capital token was going to be set by the already established CoVal token. One of the conditions of the ICO was that every holder of one CoVal token would receive 10,000 monkey tokens at the end of the ICO fundraising period. This drove the price of CoVal through the roof. The team also did everything they could to boast about the scarcity of CoVal, and also that they would have to buy CoVal off the open market to pay out dividends, thus propping up that currency with some serious long-term value. On July 23rd, the price of one CoVal token was around $1,400, or half of Bitcoin at that point. Today, a matter of 2.5 weeks later, it's worth $60 US. For a price change this severe, tells me that one thing happened. People with lots of CoVal tokens all sold theirs off at one time. And who had a lot of the supply of the CoVal? The Monkey Capital team. If I had to speculate, I'd say that Daniel Harrison and Darshan Vyas created the Monkey Capital ICO with no intention of going through with it in order to boost the CoVal token's price. Where at that point they just sold high and reaped the rewards. Now, in a response from Mr. Harrison, he goes out of his way to avoid any responsibility for what happened to the Monkey Capital ICO or the price of the CoVal token. Instead, he throws Waves, the platform that was supposed to conduct the ICO, under the bus. Then he gets in the bus and backs over them. The Monkey Capital team blames Waves for any currency manipulation that might have occurred. However, they gloss over the fact that it was Daniel Harrison's decision to prematurely enter Monkey token into the Waves DEX, allowing for this type of problem to occur, if it even did occur. There's several inconsistencies from his statement as well. He references that CoVal being burned once you convert it to those 10,000 monkey tokens. However, in the white paper, and still currently in the white paper, it explicitly states that your CoVal would not be burned to get the monkey tokens, but you would receive the monkey tokens in addition to your CoVal. Also, I've heard some rumors that since they hit their pre-sale limit, they canceled the ICO. However, in their white paper and their most updated version of the white paper, there isn't even any pre-sale practices outlined, let alone the fact that a pre-sale limit would cancel the ICO. So to sum it up, the team essentially launched an ICO, Monkey token, that would be tied in value to CoVal token. At this point, they leveraged the ICO to raise the price of the CoVal and then sold off at its highest point, thus plummeting its value. At this point, they canceled the ICO. What's this all mean? For anybody who invested cryptocurrency or even traditional currency, well, they might as well have just lit their money on fire. Thanks to Daniel and Darshan, this is why we can't have nice things. So, what have we learned? Stay vigilant, always stay skeptical, and make sure you know who is behind an ICO. For any future reference, any project with Darshan or Daniel in it is going to be an icy no.